The trouble with store-bought mayonnaise is that it has a lot of sugar, fillers, thickeners, and preservatives. So you can make your own homemade mayonnaise that is healthy and that you can combine with your favorite foods freely. You will need an egg, half a lemon, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and about 1 cup of light extra virgin olive oil. So we're going to take the blender cup and we're going to place the egg in it. And we're also going to use about half the juice of a lemon. I like to cut it lengthwise because it allows us to get more juice out of it, especially if you've left it out for a little bit. And you can actually remove the pips much more easily when it's cut like that. You can still use a mesh to cover the lemon if you like, just to make sure that you don't have any hidden pips falling into your mayonnaise. So there we go. We've capped off the lemon, and we're going to go ahead and squeeze it in. And sure enough, there was a hidden pip. I can feel it right there, so it's always good to use that mesh. You can use a little bit more lemon if you like. It really depends on your taste. Here, I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So I'm going to mix this up a little bit first. Perfect. Okay, and so I'm going to add the oil slowly but surely. And there it is, your homemade mayonnaise. I'm in between 250 and 300 mLs, which is about a cup of oil. But if you have a look at the consistency, and then we can taste it and adjust the salt, the lemon to taste. You can also add some mustard. Some people like adding mustard, and some people also prefer to add vinegar instead of lemon. So that's up to you. And this is a wonderful addition to your cooking. It'll keep in the fridge for about 3 days. Remember, it's raw egg, so you don't want to overdo it. If you want a smoother mayonnaise, half of olive oil, half of avocado oil. And if you want to make alioli, chop up half a clove of raw garlic very, very finely. Put it through that squeezy press and add it at the very beginning to get that combination alioli.